As we cover your health tonight, there are late-breaking developments involving the measles outbreak in Texas. An unvaccinated child has died, marking the first measles death here in the U.S. in over a decade. Tonight, Senator Bill Cassidy, who's also a physician, is warning the outbreak could head to Louisiana next. The outbreak in Texas has grown to over 120 cases, with 18 people hospitalized. It's the largest outbreak in 3 decades. Senator Cassidy says the outbreak is moving across I-10 and is now in the San Antonio area. He says it's only a matter of time before it shows up in Louisiana. Both Cassidy and Louisiana Surgeon General are urging people to get vaccinated to stop this highly contagious outbreak from spreading any farther.
If you're talking about measles coming down the I-10 or maybe the I-20 from Texas coming to Louisiana, and then how Dr. Cassidy and Dr. Abraham are on the exact same page that your child needs to be vaccinated, that's a good thing. We encourage the parents to get their child immunized. If you're pregnant, talk to your doctor. You do not want to get measles when you're pregnant. It affects potentially not only you, but the baby in your womb.
General Ralph Abraham is joining Cassidy in pointing out that the measles vaccine is safe and says it's the best way to protect Louisianians. So far, more than 120 confirmed cases of measles in the outbreak since January. Most of those cases are in children. News 15's Sherelle Hubbard has the details.
Texas health officials say an unvaccinated school-aged child was hospitalized in Lubbock last week and tested positive for measles. That case, sadly, turned deadly. Texas health officials say they are seeing some severe cases with about 20 hospitalizations, some of those patients receiving intensive care. Officials say losing a patient is taking a toll on hospital workers.
This has been hard on them as we have had so many kids coming in, and then obviously we were not prepared probably so early in what we're seeing to already have a death that's attributed to this.
The new Health and Human Services Secretary, Robert F. Kennedy Jr., has repeatedly questioned the science behind vaccines and shared anti-vaccine rhetoric. Kennedy was asked about the measles outbreak at President Trump's first cabinet meeting of his second term on Wednesday.
We're watching it. We put out a post on it yesterday, and we're going to continue to follow it.
Measles, a highly contagious airborne virus, can cause a rash of red spots, fever, cough, and red and watery eyes. Public health officials say the best way to prevent getting sick is to be vaccinated with the measles, mumps, rubella, or MMR vaccine.
There are lots of childhood rashes and fevers, and as parents, we all know that our kids get these here and there. This is not that. This is a much more serious illness.
For News 15, I'm Sherelle Hubbard.